Alright folks, so today's episode is going to be a little different. So I'm going to try a vlog type episode. So yeah, pretty much it's my Saturday. So today I'm going to start by taking the wheels down to my mates at Bridgestone, and we're going to get the tyres stripped off the rims and then maybe drop them off at sandblasting, but that might have to wait till later. But we're at least going to get them stripped off so they're ready, and then I can have the wheels sandblasted and painted. So I was going to just try and clean them up, but they are pretty pitted and corroded. So yeah, I think I'm just going to start from fresh, get them blasted, get them painted, and be done with it. Then I'm probably going to pop round to my mate Kiz's house, and we're going to go see what they're doing. I think they're working on either 1 or 2 patrols at his place. So yeah, we'll go see what they're doing and see where it leads us from there. And then we might get some work done on the Falcon. So stay tuned. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I've just had the tyres stripped off the rims, so you can see them back there. They're all tireless. So yeah, we're going to get them off to sandblasting at some point, and then we'll probably get them painted or powder coated, so I'm yet to figure that out. Now, I'm going to head off to my buddy's house. They've got 2 patrols there, I think. One's getting tinted and one's, I don't know, getting worked on or something like that. I'll figure it out when I get there. So we'll see you when we get there. Kizza, what are we doing today, bro?
We are going to install XRS Connect.
Yeah.
And then we're going to do a couple of gauges and then a little service while the tint man's doing his job.
Mad as. Rob from Tint King is here. Say hi, bro.
How you going?
So, how long you been tinting for, mate?
Oh, 16 years.
Awesome. What else we got, Kizzo? We got some SAS gauges.
SAS gauges.
Pillar pod.
Yeah, we got a
Nava.
fuse box, trailer wiring, bit of battery cable, and a manual circuit breaker. So
Mad.
we'll just get that installed.
Sounds good, bro. The 4.2 goodies.
Dirty and stock.
Oh, new battery terminals.
Yep, there you go on as well. And then EGT gauge, hopefully get that wired up today. Coolant temp, we'll have a bung in here. It's going to come out, but I don't have the fitting yet because the Chronic had an Aeroflow order come in apparently, and it never came.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
And plans for
nothing on Chronic, it's the supplier.
plans for this bad boy.
Bin. There is a
Oh, you got one already. Big dirty front mount or top mount?
big dirty front mount
Man, you got
black.
too much money, eh?
in black.
Yeah, stealth
It's only
mount.
260 bucks
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty cheap.
from Chronic,
Nice.
and it's not bad build quality. Like it's
No, Aeroflow make pretty good shit, bro.
A couple little things like just that. A little bit rough, but I'll windy that down.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that'll be going on, but not yet.
Man, sounds good.
That'll go on when I get the snorkel done. Because they're King's Customs, I'm going to get him to do the snorkel because he does some really nice gutter mounts for him.
Yeah.
Mount, like drilling into the pillar. Yeah, he'll do. I've got a PSI Co airbox on the way as well.
Yep.
And then yeah, that's about it.
I'm gonna check out this rig of a Navara.
reckon? You've done
Right,
this before.
first of all, thanks Adam for the gas struts. And then what are we getting started on first? You doing an oil change?
idea. No, I was thinking about
With your 45 oil filters?
we'll do the wiring first. So I'm gonna set it up because there's gonna be a dual battery here because there's a tray down there that's not painted yet
Yeah, ARB tray.
next to the Pepsi box. So everything's gonna run off that second battery when it's finished, but obviously it's not there at the moment. So we're just gonna mock everything up to here
Yeah.
and then set it up on the driver's side for now, and then just pull the extra wiring through. So later on, when that dual battery tray does go in, we can
Put it all
push
in
it all on
spot.
this side.
Oh, look at that merch. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Ah, it's beautiful. Adam, what's your super tech tip for installing an aerial?
Put a little slit in the bull bar. So if you do need to take the bull bar off, change bull bar, whatever you want to do with it, it's easier to take the aerial off instead of unwiring the whole aerial.
Yeah. Saves you rooting through all that shit.
Yeah. And
Sounds
the
good.
car.
Tech
Only way you
tips
put
with
it.
Adam.
That's it, mate.
That's what she said.
Safety first, kids.
All right, got the fresh tint on one patrol. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Very nice. Second patrol, ready to go. All right, so Kizza, what's in the kit? What do we got?
So we have the GME XRS Connect. This is the top model one with a steel box, slightly bigger. Everything's done on the screen, and you've got a little speaker in there. So there's no really need for this one, but
You can hide that on your
you can
dash.
hide it under the dash. It has a pass-through connector like your normal internet cables,
Very nice.
so we can totally disconnect
Power wire.
the handheld.
Yeah.
It came with a short aerial, which I think is 2.2 dB, but it also came with, I'm not sure where it is now, a 6.6 dB aerial as well, and it's magnetic.
Nice.
So we'll
I like
magnet
that.
onto the dash.
Oh, it's actually got a good stick to it too.
Yeah.
What do you got? Mounting bracket,
Mounting bracket,
Cable.
wiring
doodle.
for the aerial,
Nice.
and that's about it.
Awesome.
I had to buy that aftermarket, but you can get them from GME as well.
Yeah, mint. All right. Well, hopefully we'll get it in the car shortly. So we walked up to Adam's car. I don't think that's supposed to be floating around in there. So we're gonna pull it out for him.
Just easy.
Adam's car resto. Come on. There we go.
But this is paint matched to the...
Some fresh tint on the patrol. Ain't no seeing through there. Hey Rob, how do they find you, mate?
Facebook, Instagram, or call the number, I guess.
Awesome. Alright guys, I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna leave these two to their own devices, and good luck. Don't break it. We'll see you later.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah. Alright. See you, Rob.
Done. Take it easy, mate. Good to
Have a
meet
good
you. All the best.
You
And,
too.
let us know when you're ready with that Falcon. We'll get some tin on it.
Definitely.
Killer.
So I've come back to visit Kieran again and see what he's doing with his car. How far have you got?
Done all the wiring from the gauges into the trailer wire that we've used. So that's all sorted. So it's all coming down through to this cable here now. So everything's come out of here.
Almost sack tapped me with a cable, but okay.
So it's all done in there.
all neatly
Boost
done.
reference is put in as well.
It's all under the dash, and you've got all your shit in there.
Yeah, got heaps of stuff. Not very much light at the moment, but yeah, got power and then EGT to go on.
And your sexy tent.
Tint's done.
Battery terminals are on.
Batteries all sorted. Boost reference is up here with the little T.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
EGT's run through the bung on that side.
So that'll be all hooked
EGT
up.
sensor there, little silver wires run through.
Mad.
Probably can't see it. And then, yeah, just get power to the fuse box now.
Sweet as.
Done.
So happy days.
Yeah.
All right. So I thought I'd come back and visit him just to top it off. So yeah, we'll. It's good to see the progress that's been made, and I'm guessing you're pretty happy with your tent.
Yeah, it's good, man. It's
Because
good.
it's nice and dark. So yeah, should keep you cooler in the summer as well.
I hope so. Keep
So-
it cold as well when I get in the fridge.
Exactly. Nice steady light bar that we fitted a couple of weeks back. Alright, so we've run the power cable, the coax, and the Cat 6 cable. All rigged up, hidden away. It's going to be mounted in the inside of the center console. So it's like stealth mount because it all runs through the handset. So that's all good. That's a little update, and then we're going to fit it all up and then we'll get back to you. So yeah, all right, there's your little update, and then you've got the stuff with the Falcon later on. See you then. All right guys, so we've just been to Kieran's place. We've looked at the patrols. They both got tinted up. I've had to come home early because I actually have a dinner to go to tonight. So I'm gonna spend the last couple of minutes that I have screwing around with these brake lines and the fuel lines, trying to get them lined up and figure out which way they went around. Once I've done that, I can put them back in their little rubber holsters and put the clips back on. And if we have time, I might even chuck them up in the car, but I doubt I'll have time. So let's see how far we get. Alright guys, so as suspected, I have run out of time. So it does look amazing. So as you can see, all the fuel lines are now back in place. All the clips are back in place. So they look awesome. They're nice and shiny gold. Just need to chuck a fuel filter in there and we can put them back on the car. So they'll go just under the body, under here, and against the dark, although it's pretty dark because I've got no light under the car. It should look pretty amazing. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to rivet them on, and then once they're riveted on, yeah, that part is done. I want to say a massive thank you to my 2 Patreons. You guys are amazing. Also, don't forget to check out the Podfilter podcast. Adam, thank you very much for, you know, supporting the channel. And yeah, if you have any tinting needs, you met Rob from Tint King before, feel free to hit him up. He is north of the river and he is mobile tinting, so does very good work and is very reasonably priced. Tell him I sent you, and yeah. You know, thank you very much again. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this style of video, like the vlog style, I suppose it's more natural. Yeah, drop in the comments below. Let me know. If you've liked it, then I might do some more of them. So thank you very much. We'll see you all in the next episode. Peace out, guys.